To stop those hiccups, this is what you do. Stand on your hind legs, then shout cock-a-doodle-doo at the top of your voice. The hiccups will be gone.
Oh, that just sounds really, really silly.
Go on, Gobo. It might work.
Gobo takes a deep breath, then stands on his hind legs.
Here we go. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oh, not as good as me, but not bad.
Everyone's waiting. Have Gobo's hiccups stopped?
Will Gobo ever get rid of his hiccups? How will the farmyard bunch stop them? What will happen when they do?
See? Told you it would... Go!
Oh, no. Oh, they haven't stopped. I'm going to have hiccups forever and ever. Oh...